What are you actually paying for when you're here with NumberBarn? When are you going to get charged? The pig and I are going to walk you through everything to expect when it comes to billing here at the barn. 1. We don't actually bill you until your number is active in your account. So this means when your port transfers to us or when your new number order completes. That is when we bill you. 2. That date that your number activates becomes the account billing date. For example, if your number order completes on August 21st, you'll be billed on or around the 21st of every month. Let's say you make a payment in between that time period. We will then bill you for the time up to the 21st and prorate the balance due. 3. We only accept payment via credit card. No PayPal, no Venmo, and no pig grain. If you're porting a number to us, there's a one-time $5 fee to bring your number over to the barn. If you're purchasing a number from us, the one-time fee to purchase that number will display to the right of the number before you make your purchase. The park plan is $2 per month per number. If you select the park annual plan, which is you pay for the entire year of service upfront, we will waive that $5 port-in fee. And again, nothing is actually charged to your card until the port completes or until your new number activates. As soon as that happens, that's when we bill you. And you'll be charged to the card that you've placed on file in your account. We offer 2 call forwarding plans, and each of them are based on minute usage per month. We do not have annual options available for the call forwarding plan. Our 300-minute call forwarding plan is $6 per month plus tax. If you exceed the 300 minutes on this plan, you'll pay 3 cents per minute extra that you go over. And yes, you'll be able to view the minute usage in your account and can upgrade to a different plan at any time. Our unlimited minute plan is $19 per month per number. There are taxes on that as well. And again, nothing is actually charged to your card until the port completes or until your new number activates. As soon as that happens, that's when we bill you. And you'll be charged to the card that you've placed on file in your account.
For additional pricing information, hop over to our website, NumberBarn.com, and select Pricing and Plans from our navigation bar. Choose Compare All Plan Pricing. You'll find a breakdown of the fees for each of our plans on this page. When you decide which plan will work best for you, click Choose This Plan to be guided through the sign-up process. Happy trails! Have more questions? Feel free to reach out to our customer support team at support@numberbarn.com.